Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Do you think that if you have a smaller appliance that you're going to be trading efficiency for space? Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't have to because of this amazing travel set from Dan Technology. These may be tiny, but they work so well. I am super impressed by the drying capacity of this hairdryer. In fact, I've started using it at home instead of my regular hairdryer because it is so fast and efficient. This little baby flat iron is so cute and adorable, but works so well, and it heats up super quickly. My husband and I recently took a 4-day trip, and I was so happy that I had these and didn't have to use the hairdryer that the hotel provided. Now, I only wash my hair a couple times a week, and I recently got curtain bangs, so I am so happy that I have this little tiny flat iron because it has been perfect for using at home and, of course, when I'm traveling. I think the color is just beautiful. It's a really pretty rose gold and it is so cute. The hairdryer has a little diffuser attachment and you can either do high or low. I just do high because I want my hair to be dried quickly and it works really well with a brush. I couldn't be happier with this little travel hairdryer and flat iron. In fact, I used the flat iron this morning on my hair. I think they're perfect for travel and for use at home, and that's my point of view.